Well, it's two recipes for one in this video. Firstly, we're going to make a super smooth and smoky baba ganoush that you can dip your veggies or chips into like a pro. But then we're going to elevate this humble dip and use the baba ganoush as a sauce to create a luxurious and unusual new take on lasagna. So I'll shut up and we'll get on with it. Here's the ingredients list. I'll put a copy of these down in the comments below so you can copy. Making the baba ganoush is dead easy. Preheat the oven to 220 degrees centigrade with the rack in the upper third of the oven. Line a large baking sheet with parchment or foil to prevent the eggplant from sticking. Use a fork and take out your repressed aggression against these two veggies by poking several holes in them to let the steam out and place them on the baking sheet. Now if you are making the lasagna, I've just misted a second baking sheet with oil. You can slice the third aubergine and pop these slices on the tray and spray these with a little oil. Now these go into the hot oven, the slices for 30 minutes and the whole aubergines for an hour or until they're fully soft and a bit deflated. So leave these to cool when they're out. Once cooler, scoop out the inside of the whole aubergines, place in a sieve and remove the majority of the water. Pop the pulp into a bowl and add the remaining baba ganoush ingredients. We're adding the smoked paprika to simulate the smoky taste you'd get if you'd smoked the aubergine on a grill. Once mixed, you can blend using a stick blender or a food processor. You can have it completely smooth or leave some texture in there, it's your choice. And that's it. Pop it in a nice dish, drizzle with olive oil and your dip is done. But no, we're not stopping here. Time for the lasagna. In a large pan, heat a glug of oil and fry the mince so it's coloured all over. And while it's frying, separate your baba ganoush into 1/3 and 2/3. Once fried, add the 2/3 of the baba ganoush, reserving the further third for later. And then we can add the roughly chopped parsley, stir it through and then set it aside. Now for the layering. Add a small layer of sauce to the bottom of your lasagna pan. The next layer is the roasted sliced eggplants. Add another layer of meat sauce on top. And then take our cooked or fresh lasagna sheet and using the reserved baba ganoush, spread a layer like buttering a slice of bread. Sprinkle a layer of the grated mozzarella along the centre of the pasta sheet, leaving the edge. Then roll up the sheet into a fat cigar or enchilada and pop onto the aubergines. Keep going until the pan is full of rolled pasta. And add the rest of the sauce in a thick layer on top. Cover with grated mozzarella and then place chunks of buffalo mozzarella over the top to melt over. So when you're ready, pop this into a 200°C oven for 25 to 30 minutes until it's baked through, and once out, leave for 10 to 15 minutes before serving. And there we have it, a really unusual take on a traditional lasagna that satisfies the aubergine lovers in your household. Well, I do hope you enjoyed that video. If so, give it a thumbs up down below, it really does help the channel out. And why not consider subscribing to see what twists on a classic we come up with next. So until next time, bye!